Hello, it's me Priya Kaur. Welcome to our Cho Ku Rei meditation. I know you're thinking, why should I do this meditation? There are so many advantages from this meditation. With this meditation, you're going to remove all the negative energy from your body and from your life. Another thing, after the meditation, you feel more comfortable, you feel relaxed, you feel light, and you feel more happy. Let's start this beautiful journey. Before we can start the journey, I would like a beautiful smile on the face. You know, ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ smile ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, the smile relax all our muscles. Now, give me the beautiful smile. Yes. Thank you. I'm smiling for you as well. Thank you, my love. Cho Ku Rei sign is a very powerful Reiki sign. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ Cho Ku Rei sign use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, remove all blockage. If you have any kind of anxiety, ਸਾਰੀ anxiety ਚਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. If your life, any unwanted energy which have no purpose, Cho Ku Rei sign will cleanse this. Ready? Yes. ਮੈਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਚੇਅਰ ਤੇ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਓ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੇਟ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਫੇ ਤੇ ਲੇਟ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬੈੱਡ ਤੇ ਲੇਟ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ, ਈਜ਼ੀ ਫॉर ਯੂ. ਐਂਡ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਓ ਜਾਂ ਲੇਟ ਜਾਓ, ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ. ਵੈਰੀ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ. ਓਕੇ, ਵੈਲ ਡਨ. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਟਾਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਾਊਂਗੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ. ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਟਾਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਾਊਂਗੀ, you feel more comfortable, you feel more relaxed. Do you know one thing? आपको अपने बारे में एक चीज़ पता है कि आपको नेचर के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I know that, right? चलो आज हम नेचर के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. Spend the time with nature. As you imagine, you are in the park. Beautiful park. Beautiful flowers, trees, water, and cold air touching your face and touching your ear. Oh my God, you feel relaxed. Look, you're breathing, feel relaxed, and load your body. You're walking in this park. Am I right? Yes. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ walk ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ. Look your feet. Slowly, you take step 1, 2, and 3. Every step, you feel relaxed. You feel comfortable. You feel relaxed and you feel comfortable. Am I right? Now, you completely relax. Yeah, you can see the flower, beautiful flower. Sun is shining on your skin. Look, your skin is glowing. Oh my God, look beautiful. You have very beautiful skin and fresh, like a baby skin. Have you noticed a baby skin? You have dark skin now. Oh my God, it's very soft and soft. Soften and soften. Now, had you imagine there's a beautiful bench, beautiful, soft and comfortable. Just sit on the bench. Relax. Deeper and deeper and deeper. Relax. You're sitting in the bench. ਤੁਸੀਂ bench ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਬੈਠ ਗਏ ਹੋ. Look around you. Beautiful flowers, trees, cold air touching your hair and face, your skin getting softer and softer and softer. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ keep close your eyes want to see, imagine करना है. You're going to imagine as a big Cho Ku Rei sign come from the universal. The Cho Ku Rei sign, golden color Cho Ku Rei sign, big, huge Cho Ku Rei golden sign, enter into your crown chakra. Had you imagine बहुत सारी गोल्डन लाइट थोड़ी बॉडी ते प्योर हो रही है, आ रही है, थोड़ी बॉडी ते आ रही है. Imagine this golden light cleansing all your body. The Cho Ku Rei sign now enter in your shoulders. If you hold any unwanted energy in your shoulders, वो सारी cleanse हो गई है. Now the Cho Ku Rei sign enter into your backbone. जो भी आपकी बैकबोन में नेगेटिव एनर्जी था, जो भी डर था, वो सब क्लेंस हो चुका है, रिमूव हो चुका है, रिमूव हो चुका है. नाउ Cho Ku Rei sign enter into your palms. थोड़े हथां दी जो हथेलियां ਹਨ ਉਸ ਦੀ Cho Ku Rei sign enter ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੈ and healing your hand energy. And now your body is getting lighter, lighter, lighter and lighter. You feel relaxed, happy, deeper and deeper and deeper. Your body is getting soften, soften, soften. Now is a Cho Ku Rei sign enter into your third eye. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਥਰਡ ਆਈ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ Cho Ku Rei sign ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ. ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ, the energy is cleansed. ਉਹ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਕਲੈਂਸਡ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ. And now if you can, ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੀਲ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, if you have any kind of body pain in your body, maybe in your knee, in your back, in your throat, Cho Ku Rei sign entered your body part and healed it. Healed it. Feel this. Pain has gone. You're pain free. Pain has gone. You're pain free. And relax. And relax. Now is a Cho Ku Rei sign enter into your knees. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਗੋਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ Cho Ku Rei sign enter ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੈ. Your goodies, your knees are getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Relax. And now as a big Cho Ku Rei sign enter all your front body, left, back and right. Your body is getting lighter and lighter and lighter. All unwanted energy has gone, removed, all blocks has gone, and you're relaxed. And your body is feel very light and relaxed, and relaxed, and relaxed, and relaxed, and relaxed. You feel lightness in your body. तेरी body पूरी तरह हल्का हो गया है, बहुत हल्का महसूस कर रहे हो. Your shoulders, your backbone, your tummy, you're pain free and you're relaxed. And now your all body completely relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. Feel this feeling deeper, deeper, deeper and deeper. Now you're completely cleansed and relaxed, energetic, happy, and you're ready to take actions what you want to do regarding your goals, regarding your relationship, and you have the fully clarity what you need to do. Okay, अब अपनी बॉडी में वापस आ गए हैं. जब मैं 3 काउंट करूँगी आपने अपनी आंखें खोलनी हैं. जब आप आंखें खोलेंगे you must feel very light, relaxed, and you feel very comfortable. 1. You feel very relaxed. You feel very calmer and relaxed. You have the ability to control anything in your life. You have the power to do anything in your life. Relax. 2. Feel this feeling deeper and deeper and deeper, deeper. 3. Open the eyes. Feel your body comfortable, relax, and light, and feel fresh. And smile. Look at your smile. How I see your teeth. Well done. You did so well. Now your all blockage are removed. You cleanse your clear channel to connect your energy with your God and with your guardian angel. If you see any numbers around you, this means your guardian angel give you the message. यदि आप कोई नंबर देख रहे हैं, मे बी टाइम हो सकता है, कोई नंबर अराउंड है, वो टाइम देखें और वो मुझे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं कि इस नंबर का क्या मीनिंग है, तो मैं आपको कमेंट में बता सकती हूँ और उसके ऊपर वीडियो बना सकती हूँ. जो आपका टाइम है वो नोट करें और मुझे सेंड करें कि ये आपकी एंजल आपको ये मैसेज दे रही है कि आपकी एनर्जी क्लेंस हो गई है कि नहीं हो गई है. तो वो आप मुझे टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं और मुझे कमेंट में बता सकते हैं कि आपको कैसा लगा. आप बहुत रिलैक्स फील कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं. अब वी से थैंक यू द रेकी गाइड, थैंक यू द यूनिवर्सल, थैंक यू द ऑलमाइटी, थैंक यू and love you and thank you.